Good morning, guys. It is Thursday, the 7th of November, and this is my second time doing this video. Just had an issue. I put my computer into sleep and waking it up, it was really laggy. So here we go. Yeah, we have the week. This is what I said like a good couple of months ago. This is what we need to happen, and it did start rolling over. Just around here, it started rolling over, and then we've had the election news, and then we've had this really nice, like, Trump candle. Let's call it the Trump candle for the all intents and purposes. So now we've got strength on the 1 day, 2 day, 3 day. The weekly is grinding up nicely. This might see us getting up to here. The This is what we really need to happen, isn't it? We need these levels to start being popped off with crypto total market cap. And then if we start seeing more money flowing into this space, that will flow into everything else, into Bitcoin and alts and so on. So yeah, so over here, we can see here that the hourly. So this is the 4 hour, the orange. We've got a lower time frame on here, which is quite unusual, but I've done it. And here we've got the 1 hour grinding down. Lots of divergence. So I expect this to maybe pull around to the 22.4 trillion mark on market cap. And then hopefully kiss off and get going again. But that would kind of tie in with this previous high of 2.4 around here. Um, and yeah, we basically need to find support there and get going again. So let's see what happens there. Over to the blue chip, we have Ave looking like a beast. Yeah, that was a really nice buy on Tuesday, and then the Trump day was yesterday. So it was a really nice buy on Tuesday, Ave. And I wonder where. Let's have a look there. So that is Tuesday the 5th. Yeah, we saw, well, a 32% move on Ave. Link, not as good. But anyway, let's go back to here. Let's have a look where we're at. So Ave, Solana, is that correct, or is that BNB? BNB? Yeah, that's BNB. So BNB is looking good. There's a few of these grinding higher now. They're gaining a bit of strength. We're a buy on the daily. Weekly could be turning into that buy as well. And what else? Dun, dun, dun. Yeah, I'm trying to talk over my daughter shouting in the background. So Bitcoin rolling over, but well, rolling over compared to other alts. Bitcoin here is showing a bit of strength. Um, Bitcoin there is strength, and there is I can see Ethereum poking above Bitcoin at the moment, and Ethereum's looking really good there. Litecoin is a bit of a sell, it's a buy itself, but it's going to underperform other stuff. BNB is a buy, but it's going to underperform other stuff. But I expect that to start pulling around because of the strength over there. XRP grinding. Messi, Ada, Link looks like a buy against everything apart from maybe ETH. Same here with Band, looks pretty good against most things. Quant having a push. XLM, no. VChain, kind of, yes. Apart from against Band by the looks of things there. Neo, yes. Sol, yes. AVAX, yes. Nia, yes. Atom and Comp and Atom, more or less, yes. And then the strongest probably there is actually what's leading the pack over here, Ave, Ethereum Lend. No, she's now Ave. So she's leading the pack, looking pretty good. And then BNB now, it's a bit of a mixed bag over there on BNB. So dropping down to the 4 hour, yeah, we have seen this beautiful move on Lend. Now we're turning into a bit of a sell. And why not? I mean, it's done like 30 odd percent. Link turning into sales. Everything's turning into a bit of a sell today, which could just be that pullback to the 2.4 trillion on the crypto total market cap. XRP looks like it might it's going to turn into a sell probably, but it looks like it's going to outperform everything else. So it won't go down as fast. Um, Yeah, interesting to see the 4 hours there, rolling over into a sell. Just be careful with that, then maybe drop to the 1 hour and see where your really good buy signals are. But we're a sell, sell, mixed bag, sell, mixed bag, mixed bag. Where else? Sell, 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 buy, but turn into sell, sell, sell. Bitcoin turn into a buy against everything else. So everything else will start pulling back. I think Bitcoin will hold its value. That's pretty good to know. And then back to the 4 hour to see where that kind of gives us. Yeah, it's a bit of a mess. But Bitcoin turning into a bit of a sell, but it's not a deep sell. It's not like a really nice rollover, is it? It's like it's being bought. That's the thing. It is being bought. Maybe time to get excited. That's all I can say. Doge, Sui, Sol, Green over here. It's Pepe. Yeah. So the daily on these were still a buy on the wick trend. Good strength in most of these. There's a few we don't really want to be getting into yet, but Solana's looking good. Sui's looking good. Fetch, Render, Inge, all looking good. Pepe looking good. Floki, Shiv mixed. Doge maybe losing some of its strength because it has been on a ripper. Tau, Cas mixed bag. Tau looks good. GRT looks good. PolyX looks good. There's quite a few of these look good. You just need to make sure on your relative price on your certain time frames that looks good as well. And then over to the 4 hour, yeah, Pepe having that really nice push, which we've seen on the daily there. Um, yeah, just the 4 hour here on crypto is rolling into a sell, but then we should find this support from the daily and have another push. But it's how exciting all this gets. We kind of want just grinding, where people are buying the dips. And then it's only when we start going crazy and people just keep talking about buying the dip, that's when we need to start looking at offloading some of our pot. So yeah, all these on the 4 hour, looking pretty they're looking like they're all on a pullback, to be honest with you. Pepe still trying its best. Everything else looks like it's on a pullback. But there is good strength over here in a lot of things, Sui. So keep watching Sui, maybe drop to the 1 hour and then look for really nice buying opportunities. That's rolling, but it's still a sell over there. Anything else? Just looking at no, no, no. Sell on Pepe on the 1 hour. All of these kind of grinding down. Being led by that 4 hour, isn't it? Because that 4 hour is quite strong. Um, yeah, so a mixed bag. I mean, like Lend is looking good. But then again, if the market is looking like it's a pullback day today because of the 4 hour, we need to be careful of that and wary of that. Um, and what else? Yeah. Uh, okay. Um, yeah. Yeah, that's all I've got for you at the moment, guys. If you have any questions, please drop them in the comments and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Any video requests, any coins you want to want looking at, please, yeah, just reach out and I'll do my best to get those over to you. So yeah, trade safe, be careful, keep an eye on those the 4 hour, 1 hour, and look for those really good buying opportunities. Because then the daily at the moment is still looking good. So yeah, but just be careful. And I'll speak to you all soon. Bye, guys.